Hello, I am Erica May Arcelias from Base IT 2A.
Hello, sir. Good morning, good evening, good noon, or whatever the time you're watching this video. In this video, I am going to show you on how I solve the problem you have given, a math problem actually. As you can see, I have calculators with me to help me solving this one, and I hope you like my process or way of solving. So we have here our first question or our first problem. Fritz took out a loan for 195,000 to purchase a car at a 4.3% interest rate, compounded manually. How much will be the loan be in 5 years? So we're talking here about the compound interest. We have here the given P or the principal 195,000, then the rate is 4.3% and the time is 5. So here's our formula for this compound interest. We have here, for example, C. Since we're going to have the compound interest, C is equal to P times 1 plus rate raised to the power of time. Okay, let's have the substitution. 195,000 times 1 plus 0.043 raised to the power of 5. Alright, we have here, let's compute. 1 plus 0.043 is equals to 1.043 raised to the power of 5. So we have here raised to the power of 5 is, we have here 195,000 times 1.234302311. Okay. And here it goes, our final answer. 240,688.9506. But to make our final answer suitable to the choices given in the exam, let's round it off. It will become 240,689. Alright, so here's our final answer for this problem. Okay, so let's have the problem number 2. Harry borrow 1,200 from a bank with 8% simple interest per year. How much will have to pay back total in 2 years? So let's have here the given. The principal is 1,200. Then the rate is 8% and the time is 2. Wait. And the formula for simple interest is let's have there the S as simple, stands for simple, is equals to P 1 plus rate times time. Okay, we have here the substitution. 1,200 times 1 plus 0.08 times time. I times 2 since our time is 2. Alright, let's compute. 1 plus 0.08. Okay, 1 plus 0.08 times 2 is 1.16. So we have here our 1,200 times 1.16. Our final answer here is 1392. So simple interest is simple to solve too, as long as you know the formula and its and as long as you know its formula and the problem. So let's have the problem number 3, which is Dion wants to open a showroom and borrows 48,000 on 12% interest rate. she plans to pay this after 4 years. Here's the question. What will be the principal plus interest she earns in 1 year? So we have here the principal is 48,000. Then the rate is 12%. And the time or the year is 4 years. Okay, 4. We have 4. I have this formula. P times rate times time. So, 48,000 times 0.12 times 4, the time. So we have it, 48,000 times 0.12 is equal to 5,760. We have here the 5,760 times the time times 4 times 4. The answer is 23,040. We have here the final answer. So, Dion has 23,040 when the principal and the interest are added. Yeah, so our question number 3, our problem number 3 solved. We have here the final answer, 23,040. So we have here the question number 4. Alex won 3,000 from a video editing contest. If he puts his money in a bank account that earns 2.9% interest compounded annually, how much total interest she earns in 10 years? We have here the given. P is equal to 3,000, rate is equal to 2.9%, and time is equal to 10. So I have this formula, P, then 1 plus R, or the rate, then raised to the power of the time. We have here the solution, 300. So we have 1 plus 0.029. It becomes 1.029. Then raised to the power of 10. We have here 3,000 times. We have here 1.029 raised to the power of 10 is equals to 1.330925505. Then it will be multiplied by the principal times 3,000. Gotcha. We have this. We have here the final answer, 3992.776514. Then to make our final answer suitable to the choices given in the exam, let's round off this. It will becomes to 3,992.78. Here it goes. Our final answer is 3,992.78. So we have the question number 5, or the problem number 5. Find the principal for a loan that has an earned interest of 3,500 with an annual rate of 10% for a year. We're going to find out the principal for this problem. We have this formula. Interest over or divided by the rate times time. Alright, let's move to the solution. We have the 3,500. Then rate is 0.10 times 0.5 equals 0.10 times 0.5 is 0.5. We have here 3,500 over 0.5 is equals to 7,000. So here's the principal. Principal is 7,000. It is our final answer The problem number 6 is Mark borrows 79,000 for 2 years and earn 1,017 of simple interest. Calculate the interest rate. So we're going to find out the rate for this problem. We have here the principal 79. Rate is missing. Time 2 years. And the interest is 1,017. All right. We have this formula. Equals to principal and time, then 100%. All right. We have this solution. Is equals to the 10017 over the principal 79,000 times the time, then 100%. Okay, 79,000 1, 2, 3 times 2 is 158,000. 100% here. All right. 10017 divided 158,000 is 0.0634 times 100%. It will becomes to 6.3, and it is our final answer. 6.3 is our final. So let's move on to the problem number 7. If the interest earned was 55.20 on an investment of 230 that has a rate of 3%, how many years? Okay. We talk about years. We have here the principal 230, rate is 3%, and I is 55.20. We're going to find the time or the years. We have this formula. P times rate times time. Alright. Principal is 230 times the rate 0.3 times the time. So we're going to have this 55 230 times 0.3 is equals to 6.9. Okay, it equals 55.20 over 6.9. Then 6.9 here. 6.9 here for the time. Alright. So we have the cross cancel. We need to cancel this one. Then bring down the time. The T, or it stands for time. Then we have here 55.20 divide 6.9. It is equals to 8. Alright. So time is equals to 8. We have 8 years. Okay, if we're going to connect this into the problem, we have 8 years. It is our final answer.